Today I'm reviewing the CWB USD Business Mastercard, a card that's marketed toward Canadian businesses operating in US currency. This credit card is offered by Canadian Western Bank and is designed specifically for companies that need to make regular US dollar transactions without incurring currency conversion charges. That alone can be a strong selling point, especially for importers, cross-border businesses, and digital entrepreneurs. When you first visit the Canadian Western Bank site and navigate to their credit card section, you'll find the USD Business Mastercard listed alongside a few other business credit options. The page is pretty straightforward, and the details are easy to digest. One thing I appreciate is that CWB clearly lists the annual fee. It's $50, which is fairly reasonable in this category. There's no personal guarantee required, which is a major plus for incorporated businesses looking to keep personal and business finances separate. The application process is fairly old school. There's no fully online sign-up, so you have to either fill out a PDF form or contact a business banking advisor directly. This might be a drawback for tech-savvy entrepreneurs who expect fast, digital onboarding. CWB still has that traditional bank feel, which can be comforting for some, but inconvenient for others. In terms of features, the card offers standard perks like purchase protection and extended warranty, but it lacks more advanced benefits like travel insurance, airport lounge access, or reward points. There's also no introductory offer or welcome bonus, which most competitors in the business card space do include these days. One big advantage is that all charges are billed in US dollars, and payments must also be made in US dollars. That's great if your business has a US dollar revenue stream, but it's not ideal if you're just looking to avoid FX fees on occasional purchases. You'll need a US dollar business bank account to make this card practical. If you don't already bank with CWB, this could mean more paperwork and setup. Customer service is responsive, but fairly conservative in terms of flexibility. For example, credit limit increases require full documentation again, and online banking tools are minimal compared to other fintech-forward providers. CWB isn't trying to be flashy. They're focused on solid, traditional banking, and that shows. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now, if you're wondering how the CWB USD Business Mastercard stacks up against other cards, it holds its ground in terms of simplicity and low fees, but it definitely lacks in digital features and modern perks. There's no app tailored for the card specifically, and mobile management is done through the general CWB banking app, which can feel a bit clunky. If you're used to slick interfaces like those from American Express or newer fintechs, you might find this experience underwhelming. Security-wise, it offers EME chip protection and zero liability coverage, so it's on par with the industry standard. But again, there's no two-factor authentication or advanced fraud alerts via app notifications, just traditional email or phone updates. Overall, the CWB USD Business Mastercard can be a solid fit for a specific niche, established Canadian businesses with a regular need for US dollar spending and a preference for traditional banking. It's not built for startups or those looking for rewards and high-tech features. It's a no-frills card, and whether that's a pro or a con depends entirely on your needs. If this review helped you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more honest breakdowns of financial tools made for business owners in Canada.